Welcome back. So today, me and Opinions Matter are here at LACMA on Wilshire. If you're in LA, you know this location. If you're not and you're visiting, definitely check it out. But anyway, here I have the Blackmagic Pocket Cinema Camera 6K, and here the Sony A6400. Now, the point of this video is not to show you that, you know, there's a $2,500 camera here and a $1,200 camera. The point of the video is to show you how these cameras perform in a low light environment. Now, the sensor on Blackmagic Pocket Cinema 6K is the Super 35, while on Sony A64 it's the CMOS, which in reality it's completely the same, maybe slightly bigger on the Super 35, but I mean just slightly. So we are really curious which camera performs better in a low light environment. And I wouldn't say this is super low light because we do have a lot of lights in the back, but let's see if there's any grain and let's see how good the quality is. Now we're gonna roll a couple clips for you guys. I'm gonna divide it, you know, half and half on a screen. Also, I'm gonna try to shoot something behind me where there's a much less light, probably that building in the back right there. As you guys can see, there's much less light. So, you be the judge, tell me what performs better. And let's roll the footage right now. Alright guys, so that was the comparison between the Sony and the Blackmagic Pocket Cinema 6K. Like I said, you guys be the judges. I am not gonna tell you my opinion on which footage looked better. Thank you for staying tuned. Follow, subscribe, because more videos on this Blackmagic Pocket Cinema 6K will be coming out and more tests will be done. Once again, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time.